This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. This is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery in Santa Monica. And we're going to be showing you how to put the child inside the Cybex Aton G correctly. And remember, always check the manual of your car seat so that way you're familiar with it before you use it. There are two adjustment features on this car seat you need to know how to make. Number one, you need to know how to loosen and tighten the straps. The tightening device is located on the front. It's a strap that's kind of sticking out of the car seat. If you pull on it, everything gets nice and snug all at once. When you're ready to loosen, there is a gray button right near the tightening strap. You need to make sure you hold the button down with one hand and your other hand is going to pull away from the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps will always stay even. The second adjustment feature is the headrest. As your child gets taller, the headrest and the shoulder straps move up. And where you want the child's shoulder is above the harness and below the headrest. So right in this center gap here is going to be the perfect range for their shoulder. When they do get taller and it is time to move it up, you're going to reach behind the headrest. You're going to feel a gray trigger. You're going to squeeze up on the trigger. That's going to unlock the headrest. And now you can slide it up to the next position. And there's quite a few different options. And you're always going to make sure the child's shoulder is in the right spot. For our newborn, we're going to keep it at the lowest level. And as your child gets bigger, just adjust it. Now, the car seat does come with a newborn insert. That's what this padding is right here. Cybex recommends using it till at least 11 pounds. And you can use it up to 3 months old. And it's just there to help keep the car seat snug for a smaller child. Now, if the child is smaller and the car seat still looks too roomy for them, you can actually fold the wings in to make it more snug on both sides of the little one. But of course, you're just going to do that if the child just seems a little smaller. So before you put the baby in the car seat, you're going to want to loosen the straps all the way. You can use the blue tabs to keep them out of the way. Grab your baby, support their head and neck, place them gently in the car seat. Make sure their bottom's in the corner. You don't want any slouching. Because the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to get their arms through and to buckle them up. I like to go top to bottom. So retainer clip slides together. The two metal clips go over the legs and into the red buckle between the legs. Now that the baby is buckled in, we can begin to tighten it. The first place you want to tighten is actually around the legs. It's going to be pretty loose down here. And if you only pull on the tightening strap, that only tightens the slack near the baby's shoulders. So even though it's snugged up here, it's still very loose down by the legs. So before we pull on the tightening strap, let's go ahead and tighten the legs first. Pull up on the leg slack. Make sure you do both sides. Slide the retainer clip all the way down. We're just going to do that temporarily to make sure no slack is stuck in the middle and to make sure all the slack is by the baby's shoulder chest area. Now we can pull on the tightening strap and everything is going to get nice and snug. The way to know these are snug enough is with 2 fingers, you're going to pinch the harness right on top of the child's shoulder. If you can make a loop, then the straps are still too loose. Keep tightening until you cannot pinch any slack. If you're worried it's too tight, see if your finger can fit under the harness. And again, you want to check right by the shoulder. Once the straps are confirmed to be secure, the final thing you're going to do is move the chest clip back up. Make sure this piece is level with the baby's armpits. And every time you put baby in the car seat, you're going to follow the same routine. When you're ready to get them out of the car seat, you're going to push the button, pull away from the shoulder. Now that the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to unbuckle them to get them out of the car seat. It's also going to make the straps back to step 1 when you're ready to put them back in the car seat. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.